Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today with Mika, and we've got another Milwaukee bundle to open up. Are you going to open it, or do I have to open it? I think that's the sign of approval. I picked this thing up because, well, it's a really good deal. I was like, man, I kind of need a leaf blower. But then again, I also need a chainsaw. So this thing comes with both the leaf blower and the chainsaw. And if you're looking for a product number, well, it'll be in the description, but it'll also be right here for the two combo. It comes with the 16-inch bar as well as the leaf blower, which, again, funny enough, when you're starting a campfire, both can be useful. This can feed your fire after you light it. Just make sure you don't blow burning paper everywhere. And this can be for cutting up the wood. And then you might want to use your Milwaukee axe if you go and buy that, because I've seen that they have a Milwaukee axe now. Anyways, let's open this up and see how much assembly we have to do ourselves. We'll cut the tape right here and pop this open. Oh, look at that. It comes with cord. Now, what I am wondering is, does it come with a rapid charger? Because I know what this is supposed to come with is the chainsaw, a 12 amp hour battery, and a charger. But it'll be interesting. Oh, it is. Look at this. M18 and M12 rapid charger. Perfect. I think that's probably what, my third one now? I think I've got about 3 over there. I put you on the tripod to make it easier. So, oh, they put an empty box in here. How grand. Let's see, does this just slide out? Oh boy. Oop. Pretty sure this is both the chainsaw and the battery. Put my knife in here so Mika doesn't sniff it. We've got the rapid charger. Again, I was really hoping they gave you a rapid charger, because if not, it takes forever to charge a battery of that size. I couldn't even imagine charging it actually for the battery that size. And if you're wondering about battery size, let's show you how big this thing is. Holy smokes. It's literally the size of this box. What I'm also gonna do, hey, to actually put it in a Ziploc bag, I'm gonna grab one of my 5 or 6 amp hour batteries and show you the size difference. Like, this thing is huge. Now, if you're an elderly gentleman or woman that's gonna be using either of these tools, you might wanna also buy a 5 amp hour pack. This will be great for the chainsaw, but for that leaf blower, you might want something a little smaller for your wrist. And again, this is for people that are older, or maybe just want something so their arm's not gonna get tired from using the leaf blower. Let's see. Oh, this thing needs a charge. It's got 1. So we'll save that, but give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna grab a 5 amp hour. There you go. That's a size difference. 5 amp hour versus 12 amp hour. It's huge. So now that we've gone ahead and taken a look at both those, let's go ahead and see this leaf blower. Figure, might as well leave the package in here because it's the last thing. Big tube. And leaf blower. Like I said, because of how it sits off the back end like this, and for what you're going to be doing with this, little 6 amp hour pack should be just fine for a leaf blower. You do not need a high output battery for that. Let's see how this one goes. Does it just screw in? Oh, quick release right here. Let's see if Mika's gonna enjoy this. Probably not. So again, this is with the 6 amp hour, or sorry, 5 amp hour. And then the turbo. Oh. You'll feel it on the turbo end of things. Mika does not like that, that's for sure. Wow. That thing's sick. And then it's got the push button. I believe that's so we can lock it in. So if I press it, there, locks the trigger. And then you just click it and unlock. So click, press. Nice. So again, if you're gonna lock it, you just compress trigger, press button in, it holds trigger. Hit it again, and it just comes off. That is sweet. Hey, Mika. I gotta show you guys this. I almost have to slow-mo it. Again, just from picking this up and feeling it, I think the 5 amp hour is more than enough for this. I don't think you need that big 12, hey Mika, 12 amp hour one. I think the 12 amp hour will be really hard on your wrist and totally unneeded unless you're gonna be using this thing all day long. Yes, you're good. Good girl. Now for the chainsaw. Beautiful piece. We can even take this off just so we can check out the chain. Again, be careful with your hand. Do not cut yourself. Those should be pretty sharp. Now, with that exposed, things to note. Feel the weight. Do not use a smaller battery pack, in my opinion. Make sure that you keep a nice sized battery pack. That way you're actually gonna get through chopping up the tree that you're trying to do, or I should say sawing up, whatever way. I'm sure someone will say something, but either way, I'd love to run this thing and show you how it works, but you need bar oil. And the problem is, I don't have any. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you, or the sales guy didn't tell me, you do need to pick up some bar oil. I'm pretty sure if I would have probably read over every little piece of information on this package, it would probably say, please make sure you buy bar oil. Right, Mika? Are you sad I can't start the chainsaw? I'm sorry. I wish I could. You're looking forward to it, weren't you? Well, we had a sad Mika, but maybe I'll just fire it up just once. That can't hurt it without it, right? So we can keep Mika happy, let's see what we can do. And that's it, because we don't need Mika to lose her nose. And we also need bar oil. But as you can see, how it works. Pull, press in safety, hit the trigger, and away she rolls. Perfect. What do you say, Mika? Which one do you prefer, that or? I think you like this one. This will be really easy to give you a blowout now. I don't want you anywhere near this one. Well, I don't have this on. Either way, there you go. Is it worth this pack? Yeah, I think I got this thing. It's on sale right now for, keep in mind, Canadian. 650 bucks, $639 for this kit from Summit Tools. And yeah, it's well worth it. I mean, the leaf blower alone on itself, just as a tool, is $250 Canadian. I think the saw with battery, because unless you have a 12 volt battery, which I highly doubt, if you don't have, well, if you do, either way. If you buy the combo with the battery and the charger, this is $6.99 regular, and then this for the tool only is $250. I got all of this for $639. For me, well worth it. I'll let you decide if it is for you. Thanks again for watching. Press like if you enjoyed the unboxing, and subscribe for more. You never know what I'm going to do next. Probably working on that thing over there. And I don't mean Mika.